Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, HD radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.